Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking septic tanks, and in the event that you are curious how a septic tank is emptied, we're going to show you in this video. We just moved into our new property and we're going to get the tanks emptied. Let's go outside and take a look.
All right, YouTubers, walking down the steps, they've got the super duper long hose feeding from the tanks all the way up to the driveway where the truck is. And the cool thing is, they're not going to drive on the grass. They have really long hoses, and they're going to start opening up caps. Cap removed on the 1,500 gallon tank. This is the center cap, and there it is. And there is a brick wall separating the left half of the tank with the right half of the tank. And about halfway down, there is a slit that allows the fluids to flow from one side to the other. All right, that is the baffle, and if you go way down in there, the pipe itself, or the baffle pipe, does not go all the way down to the bottom of the tank. It goes about 3 to 4 feet down and connects to a pipe that feeds into the second tank over there. And as you can see down below, they are still sumping and sucking all that out. Looking on tank 2, they're sucking from the first chamber, again from tank 2. Tank 2 is complete. We're all done, YouTubers. And all in all, total job time was about 25 minutes. And for next time, the cap that has the access portion to the baffle, that will need to be dug up. However, the cap to the left, that will not need to be dug up. And the inlet cap to tank number 2, or the 1,500 gallon tank, does not need to be dug up as well. So on the 1,500 gallon tank, 3 caps total, inlet, outlet, and the center one is the baffle. We only need to dig out the baffle. On to tank number 1, that's the only cap and access point to tank 1, so that will need to be dug up. And there goes the truck to unload. Back to the caps that are going to be dug up here in 5 years. Again, the single cap for the 1,000 gallon tank and the baffle access cap for the 1,500 gallon tank. And that was recommended by the servicemen that just serviced the 2 tanks.